My name's Maddie. I work for Conrad Schmitt Studios. It is a decorative painting, restoration, stained glass company. So our main clientele is the Catholic Church. I would say that's probably 80%, 8 to 85. We do a lot of the Catholic Church. No project is too small. So we'll fix a pinky finger on a statue, or like a project that we just completed was gilding the dome at Notre Dame. We aren't an architectural company. We try to, at least. We take the existing architecture, because there was an architect in the past that did it for a reason. And we're just trying to enhance and beautify and pull from that the history of either like the surrounding area, the time period, obviously liturgical elements on projects like St. Mary's, and pulling that all in. And we strive to provide the highest quality of communication with our clients, and then also craftsmanship. And receiving an award for preservation and restoration it's an amazing feeling. And having it in the Midwest was just the cherry on top. And I know Father was very pleased too. We at CSS have a big passion for what we do, and we're proud to be a family company that creates enduring works of art. So it's not just getting up on the scaffolding and just painting the wall. We like to we put a lot of time, energy, and thought into what we do and why we do it. It's a pleasure and it's wonderful.